Hello everyone, today we are at one of the gated communities at Naugaon. These are farmhouse communities that are coming up in Naugaon, and this video specifically has been created through a drone coverage just to showcase how much does a 1 bigha or a 3000 yards farmhouse looks like. I think the idea is to give a sense to prospective buyers how much a 1 bigha or a 3000 yards plot looks like. I think this will give a good sense to everyone, and looking forward to having you over at Naugaon.